Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best touchless trash cans in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Glad Stainless Steel Trash Can with Clorox Odor Protection Touchless Metal Kitchen Garbage Bin with Soft Close Lid and Waste Bag Roll Holder. 20-gallon, motion sensor. 20-gallon capacity. Fits 50% more trash compared to a standard 13-gallon/50-liter can. Take fewer trips taking out the trash. For use with any black bag with capacity of 20 gallons or larger. Perfect for large families. Clorox Odor Protection provides protection of the lid and the lid frame by inhibiting the growth of odor-causing bacteria for the life of the can. Rear Bag Compartment. Convenience of storing extra bags right behind the trash can. Dispense easily from the sides without having to move the can. Hinged frame. The lid frame hinges back for convenient placement and removal of trash bags. This motion-activated trash can measure 16.2 wide, 14.5 deep, and 27.8 high. Bag Ranges. Keep the bag slack neatly tucked in while securely keeping your bag in place and preventing the bag from falling in. Number 4. IKEA Mirage-T 50-liter/13.2-gallon touchless rectangular motion sensor trash can. Brushed stainless steel finish. Premium motion sensor technology. Experience the smoothest, most seamless lid opening and closing technology with this IKEA hands-free automatic trash can. Ultimate fingerprint resistance. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to a clean, flawless exterior that stays immaculate. The anti-fingerprint stainless steel finish keeps your space clean and stylish. Sleek and durable finish. Meticulously crafted with a stainless steel finish, this stylish touchless trash can offers a cool and smooth texture that's durable and visually appealing for any home decor style. 25% more capacity. No liner design maximizes capacity by offering 25% more room to dispose of the trash. Long-lasting power. Use with AA alkaline batteries and can last up to 8 months of use, making our kitchen garbage can eco-friendly and your wallet happy. Number 3. Touchless 13-gallon touchless sensor trash can with odor filter system, round steel garbage bin, perfect for home, kitchen, office, alpine white 13-gal. Our promise to you, your 100% satisfaction is assured and backed by a full-service manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer support. See user manual for details. Convenient and hygienic. 100% touch-free. Just the motion of your hand opens the lid. Reduce exposure to illness-causing bacteria for a healthier home. Odor stopping power. Included odor filter absorbs trash odors so they don't escape the can, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Elegant and modern look. The pearl white bin is fingerprint-proof and smudge-resistant. Durable ABS plastic lid is easy to clean. Large capacity. Versatile round shape makes the most of tight spaces. Efficient 13-gal/49 liters capacity. Dimensions: 12. 6-inch diameter, 31. 3-inch height, 39. 6-inch height with lid open. Number 2. Home Labs 13-gallon automatic trash can for kitchen. Stainless steel garbage can with no-touch motion sensor butterfly lid and infrared technology with AC power adapter. Who knew you could get rid of your trash without getting your hands dirty? Our amazing automatic trash can uses infrared technology, opening the bin lid when motion is detected within 6 inches to protect you from other icky things. Our slim and stylish 13-gallon kitchen trash can measure 16.2 x 10.3 x 22.5 inches, 41.1 x 26.2 x 57.2 centimeters, and is built with stainless steel for a durable, hygienic, and easy-to-clean finish, and it also comes with an AC power adapter. Split doors provide for greater clearance under low countertops. The impressive infrared sensor features 90-degree swiveling sensor ball that can be adjusted for top or side activation. Number 1. Simplehuman 35-liter/9.3-gallon dual compartment under counter kitchen cabinet, pull-out recycling bin and trash can. Keep rubbish and recycling neatly sorted and concealed inside the cupboard. The simplehuman, easy-to-install, pull-out recycling kitchen bin glides out of the cupboard on smooth commercial-grade ball-bearing tracks for quick and easy access. The simplehuman Code D custom fit liners perfectly fit this bin's blue bucket, while the Code D liners perfectly fit the black bucket. No bunching or slipping for a cleaner experience. Even the nicest trash cans are still, well, trash cans. If you prefer to tuck yours away in a cupboard, the simplehuman under-counter pull-out can make it easy and convenient. This dual compartment pull-out trash can include a steel frame to install inside one of your cabinets. Plus, there's a handle on the front of the frame that lets you pull the bin out via the smooth rolling track without touching the trash can itself.